Hi there, Amber here from Miniature Gardening at Winter Greenhouse, and today we're going to talk about Supervivum, otherwise known as Hen and Chicks. Hen and Chicks, what more fun and fitting name can you come up with for a plant like this? So, most people call it hens and chicks, but actually it's called Hen and Chicks. So, a quick little history lesson on this plant. The Supervivum tinctorium means always living, and also the tinctorium means on roofs. A fun little fact about these is that they were grown in Europe on thatch roofs in order to reduce fire by lightning. The hen and chicks are beautiful outdoor succulents, prized for their charming appearance and extremely resilient nature. As you can see, they resemble an unfurled rose with seasonal blushes of color, and can form dense mats that accent gardens and arrangements. Regardless of droughts, deep freezes, or poor soil, they grow easily and will brighten any planting with eye-catching colors, forms, and textures. The colors of Supervivums are always changing, and for many reasons. The amount of fertilizer, the amount of sunlight they receive, and even the time of year will make the colors change. Spring and summer have the most vibrant colors due to the high light, while the fall and winter will have more muted shades. After blooming, the stalk and central rows die and dry back, and the surrounding small rosettes will actually fill in their space. And despite their ability to withstand cold and drought and other seasonal conditions, the one thing they cannot tolerate is wet soil. In fact, they'll die if their roots are wet for too long. They also make great container plants. A lot of different container plantings in moss wreaths, picture frames, or even moss spheres. The options are almost endless with how you can plant these up. And I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you'd like a little homework to do, maybe you can answer the question, what came first, the hen or the chick? For more information on hen and chicks or any of our other plant varieties, you can find a link to our video down below in the link, or actually you can find a link in the description box below. And we thank you so much for watching. Take care.